Hello, this is Mr. Srinivasan, who is having more than 30 years experience in the construction industries, presenting a small presentation on how to do a quality brickwork. The brick masonry stages is inclusive of three stages, which is known as a pre-construction, during construction, and post-construction. Construction stages in the pre-construction, you have to have a material selection, you have to have a shop drawing, you have to have a proper material, you have to have a surface preparation. Material selection. Material selection, how here? What are the materials we are supposed to select? Water, bricks, cement, sand. Field test for the bricks. Ringing sound, well burnt in color, proper sizes, no effervescence or white deposits. When dropped from the 1 meter height, it should not break. The relevant code is IS 1077 1992 class number 3. Laboratory test for a bricks. It is based on IS 1077. Compressive strength of the bricks should be not less than 75 kg per centimeter square. Water absorption. It is not more than 20%, which can be verified from the code number 1077 class number 7.2. Average weight should be 3 kilos. Cement field test. Cement field test are categorized in three categories, which can be explained in no pressure, no presence of lumps. When touched and rubbed in the hands, it should be smooth and silky. When a handful of cement dropped in the water, it should be float and not should think. Cement laboratory test is based on IS 4031 1988 part 4. It should be a grade for 33 or 43. Consistency should be 29 to 30%. Initial setting time not less than 30 minutes. Final setting time not more than 600 minutes based on IS 8112 class number 6.3. Material selection of the sand. Refer code number 2116 1965, which says river sand or pit sand is preferable. It should be free from presence of clay, salt and organics. IS 2383 1963 indicates the gradation between say of 4.75 to 3.6 mm, silt content not less than 7%. Water selection. How do you select the water? The water should be potable. Laboratory should reveal the pH value not less than 6. Chloride 2000 mg per liter maximum. Sulfates 400 mg per liter maximum. This can be verified from IS 3025-87 or IS 456 2000. Pre-construction stage. This is a material selection. You have to have a shop drawing. You have to have a material staking properly and the surface preparation. Shop drawing. Shop drawings means it's architectural floor plans, doors and windows schedule, MEP coordinated service indicating the openings, etc., or any other specific details. And the drawing should be approved and architects valid for construction. Material staking. Material staking should be based on the quantity of the work we are going to carry out. And we have to ensure how the shifting arrangement has to be done. We have to also see that soaking arrangement, mortar preparation, scaffolding arrangement, accessories, tools and tackles, etc. Compute quantity floor wise, area wise. Consider wastages for material handling, cutting wastages, quality. Soaking arrangement. IS 2212, which clearly indicates how the soaking has to be done. The water tank should be kept at the ground level. The drum should be filled with water, and in that water, the bricks has to be soaked. Mortar preparation. It should be volume batching. 1:6 is the sand mortar for 230 mm walls. 1:4 115 mm walls. Mixing at the ground level or tools. plumb bob, spirit level, straight edge, measuring tape, tube level, square. Usage tools: mason trowel, wooden float, hammer and chisel, spade and shawl, wire brush, bucket, mortar pan. Surface preparation. See, for preparing the surface preparation, the following things has to be mandatory. You have to have the finished floor level, and where the lintel has to be located, MEP services, etc., etc. Level pads for FFL to be established. During construction, the starter course shall be laid with respect to the ground level. Check at the starter course in all the direction like X, Y, Z, such as doors and windows, opening, etc., etc. Refer the shown drawing which will explain you how the starter course has to be done. Subsequent next layer should be laid in the Flemish band or English band. Refer IS 2212-1991. Thickness of the mortar shall not exceed 12 millimeter. Wall up to 3-meter height should be constructed in 4 stages: floor to sill level, sill to lintel level, lintel construction, lintel to slab or beam bottom level. Methods. The shown images will indicate you how to mark the sill level, lintel level, MEP opening, etc., etc. Important precautions. What are the precautions you have to take care for the brick wall? For 115 brick wall, every fourth layer should have a coping with a reinforcement. Brick shall have a minimum strength of 75 kg per centimeter square. Cement mortar shall be 1:4. Refer IS 2212. 200 thick brick wall, how is to be done? The images will be explained to you in title. The necessary provisions to accommodate niches, lofts, shelves, or any other architectural elements. For height of wall more than 3 meter, a concreting beam should be constructed for every 3 meter. At any case, no brickwork should be constructed without or above 3 meter. Post construction. Problems to check for: horizontal level, verticality, line and right angle. Post construction. Ensure curing for 7 continuous days. Completed work shall be certified by the client or the engineer in charge. Okay. In case of any further queries, kindly write to me without any hesitation. Kindly like and share. The presentation's courtesy is Mr. Dhyan Deshmukh. Thank you once again.